Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be looking at bookshelf dust. Now you might be wondering why I'm looking at bookshelf dust, but it's because I've heard that you can find some pretty weird things in there, like mites, pieces of skin, and other gross things, and we just want to see if that's true, and if we can see them. So I got my little scraper spatula and my container, and we are going to be looking at the dust. So we happen to have some pretty old books here, and they seem to be pretty dusty because we don't open this cabinet very much because these books are precious. So just look how dusty it is. Wow. Gross. So we are back at the lab, and I just want to say rest in peace to that alien, because if you didn't know, aliens are allergic to candy, so he was basically just killing himself by running to that field. You have to do what you have to do for YouTube. So back to the microscope. We've got the dust underneath the slide here, and we're going to be at red magnification, and we're going to see what we can see. And it's already pretty gross, actually. It just kind of looks, well, it looks dusty, honestly. But it looks kind of like it's fuzzy. It looks a little bit like bacteria. There's a lot of little specks. There's also more twigs than I expected. Maybe those aren't twigs, though. Maybe those are like antennae or something. Or hairs. Oh, and there's a very, very big wing here. That is definitely a wing, actually. I can see the little branches, the veins. And it looks like it's a little bit hairy on the side. I cannot wait to look at that underneath the bigger magnifications. Oh, it looks like a cactus. That's funny. There's actually a Pokemon that looks exactly like that. It's like the, you know, the one where it's like the cactus and he's like... And there's the wing again. It doesn't really look that exciting because there's nothing moving or anything. It just looks like a mess. And if you're wondering, this is the edge of like the tiny slide we put on top of it. So we have the slide and then the tiny slide so that all the dust doesn't blow off. It's like just cushioning it so it doesn't get blown off by air. So that's what that is. As you can see, it goes all the way along like that. And there's another slide edge. Oh, that thing looks like a worm. Yuck. So I'm gonna lower the table and then I'm gonna put it to yellow. It's gross. It's this random character. It sounds like somebody from the Peanuts, but he just goes yellow. So just the audio, okay? So this thing does look like a worm, but oh yuck. It looks like a tapeworm, but it doesn't. I don't think it's a tapeworm. I don't think these are worms, but I'm just calling them worms because that's a little bit what they look like, but they're probably just hairs or something. That's definitely not a worm. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to the blue level now. I was poisoned. Oh, ew! I laughed and my finger made the thing move, and then there's just this big... Oh! Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no. There's a thing with wigs, guys. Oh no. Everything looks so much grosser! Okay, I found a thing and it has wings on each side of its body. That's gross. Everything looks like it is infected and it all looks really gross. There's things everywhere. All the twigs look like feet and it's gross. I hope that's not what dust is made of. I hope it's not just insect feet. That would be so gross. This thing looks like it's made of jelly. I thought it was moving. I'm sorry. It's not moving. I'm just moving. My hand is on the table. And that looks... It looks like one of the skulls from the desert. It looks like a cow skull with like those big horns. I keep finding look-alike things. This thing looks like the head that just comes out of the earth for no reason. You know? Those like Stonehenge? Those heads? Wait. Oh, Easter Island heads. That's what they look like. Yes. Anyways, moving on. I'm gonna try and get us back in the middle. Oh. It's very crowded here, actually. But when you're not looking at anything, it's cool because all the little specks make it look like dragon fruit when it's white. Anyways, I'm gonna lower the platform and go to white. This is like the first time I'm doing that. I'm talking to you because you're one of those sand people from The Mandalorian. Your neck is swelling. Okay, all of this is... Okay, my hand is scaring me way too much. I thought these things were moving. That actually scared me, guys. I found a broccoli. I found a broccoli. No, it's not a broccoli, never mind. I found a mushroom from Mars. No, I didn't. A Smurf house! I found a Smurf house! It actually looks like that. There's so many little things. That's so funny. There's just this bubbly thing. This is like a scary VR. I found Harambe. It looks like a gorilla walking though. Like when they walk like this. Don't leave though, looks like Harambe thing. These things look like so many more things. I found a donkey. It actually looks like a donkey and it has a snout and everything. I named the donkey Harambe. I named the donkey Harambe. Please do not leave the Christopher Walken impression in there. It's in my private bubble. So in conclusion, we didn't find any mites. Well, maybe we did because we saw that thing with like all the wings, like this thing, remember? And so maybe we did see some bugs, but I just didn't identify them as anything But I really expected to see some mites that looked like mites, or some other things like pieces of skin, but we couldn't find any of that, so I am relieved. Thank you to everybody who supported my channel. It means a lot, and once again, if you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments, and I probably will want to do your suggestion more if you leave a like and subscribe. So, have a nice day, or night.